Wrapped or raw edge. In our video, we explain the construction, application, and the key advantages and disadvantages of both V-belt types, clearly, concisely, and to the point.
Welcome to Optibelt. Great to have you with us. I'm Sophia, and today we're looking at an exciting topic.
Hello, I'm Patrick. I can tell you a bit today about wrapped and raw edge V-belts.
Two belt types that look similar but differ in application and performance.
That's right, Sophia. Let's first take a look at the wrapped V-belt. For this, I've brought a belt section as a sample from the Red Power 3. We'll start with the cross section, the typical structure of a V-belt. We have the base, the tension cords, and the top layer above them. The whole thing is encased in a covering fabric. This fabric doesn't just have protective properties, but it can also be used to control material properties such as back idler suitability or clutching characteristics.
And in which areas of application is the wrapped V-belt used?
The wrapped V-belt is often used in general mechanical engineering, but also in garden and agricultural technology, the construction industry, and many other areas where this protective fabric cover offers an advantage. At Optibelt, we manufacture wrapped V-belts up to a length of 21 meters, which makes them ideal for long center distances. And these are usually heavy, large drives that also have somewhat harsher operating conditions.
All right. And what about the raw edge V-belt?
Yes, for the raw edge V-belt, I've brought an example of the XE Power Pro. Here too, we'll look at the cross section. It looks very similar. Typical V-belt, we have the wedge shape, our tension cords, and the top layer above. But as the name suggests, the flanks are raw, open, unprotected, because the fabric cover is simply missing. And yes, typically these belts come with molded cogs. This makes them ideal for smaller pulley diameters because they're simply more flexible. One small disadvantage is this open belt construction, as the belt isn't well protected against contamination, environmental influences, or simply foreign objects in the drive.
Are there also classic drives here where the raw edge V-belt is used?
Yes, typical applications for our raw edge V-belts include the automotive industry, for example. The garden technology sector is also popular, as is general mechanical engineering. So usually where these small pulley diameters are required and offer an advantage, or where I might have limited installation space. And yes, at Optibelt, we manufacture these belts in this typical context up to a length of 3.5 meters, because on these short center distances and for these smaller to medium drives, the belt can often show its advantages.
Thanks, Patrick, for the great explanation. To learn more about our products, check out the other videos on our YouTube channel or visit our homepage. Until next time at Master Your Drive by Optibelt.
Bye.